Is there really no solution to the global energy problem? A decentralized power generation system which can be used anywhere it is required and is available day and night. A completely new type of power station with constant non-hazardous and never-dwindling power, independent of sun, wind and water power.
My interest to do this research activities is that the machine is very interesting.
Everyone knows the enormous forces which a body's buoyancy creates in a liquid. It's the so-called Archimedes principle. Here we're talking about a force opposing gravitational force which never dwindles. To immerse a body in a column of water, one has to raise the entire volume of water above the body and also overcome frictional forces. We have solved this problem by connecting two towers together. This is a principle which has been known for centuries as communicating tubes. The force of both pistons is now equalized. The column of water no longer needs to be raised. We have created a cavity behind the piston into which the working element can now easily be inserted.
So we did some calculations of the efficiency of two different parts. We did a calculation of the hydraulic drive. There we got an efficiency of about 60 to 70%. And we calculated the efficiency of the mechanical part of the tower. And there we got an efficiency of about 90 to 97%. We expect that the efficiency is in a typical range, so no extremes in positive and negative ways. So we think that the efficiency is good in comparison to other machines, because the machine is just operating in one specific point.
The principle used makes it obvious that the power provided by the unit is mostly dependent on height of the water column and therefore on the structural height of the water towers. In order to counteract this dependency, several lower columns of water can be built into a tower adjacent to each other and connected to one another if required.
We think they are just state-of-the-art, so pressures are low. We do not expect anything worse in the cylinders. The mechanical parts are state-of-the-art, so we do not see up to now any problems in this mechanical part.
The energy towers can be dimensioned and scaled as required, depending on the energy and space requirements. They allow an extremely high system stability with an average operating time of over 8,000 hours per year.
Usually we are working in the field of mobile machines, so we are looking on machines, let's say from beginning of 1 to 2 tons up to 40 tons. So this is the range we are calculating with. So taking these big machines into account, we have pressures in the cylinders of about 300 bar. So the pressure here is much less, about 30 to 40, 50 bar. So we do not expect any problems.
Energy towers, a highly economic and reliable power generation system which protects our resources, environmentally friendly and independent of tides and location.